Is a budget robot vacuum a good idea? When our real vacuum died a couple years ago, we bought a robot and a Dyson stick to try to replace it in our house. Let me tell you how that's gone.
I mean, I thought I really nailed that intro there. So just, you know, nailed it.
We bought the i3 model knowing we were not buying the top of the line Roomba, but we thought it would do well for our house. And right after we bought it, they introduced the mapping feature to this model. It took a few tries to actually get it right. For a house with 5 kids and a dog, we really struggle to keep things clean and picked up. And the Roomba really struggles to follow us around. And we've been through a couple sets of the brushes with it. Now they get tangled, they eat paper, they catch things in them, and rarely do we start the Roomba to run a job that it doesn't stop and ask for assistance. And then we have rugs. We have a couple of rugs. This one's the thickest, and the Roomba just doesn't get down in the carpet the way a vacuum needs to. It will leave the rug looking nice when it's finished, but it doesn't really get the dirt out the way that a traditional vacuum does. So it has neat features. The programming and the way you can send it to clean are nice to have. And it does a great job on open hardwood floor areas. But anywhere that it gets tricky, this Roomba i3 struggles to do a good job. This Roomba, which we affectionately named Ruby, really doesn't do a whole lot, and she gets lost all the time when you try to send her home. She often has trouble finding home, even though it's very centrally and conveniently located. So the question you'll hear me asking here and in other videos is this: are our smart home devices a hobby, a time-consuming and expensive hobby, or are they a convenience that's making life simpler and easier? So I'd say the Roomba was a bit of an experiment for us that we would probably not do again. I do think the higher end models probably do better in cleaning and keeping up with things, the cameras on them, and everything else that they do well. But for the price, I don't think you get a value in this product that really keeps your house clean unless you just have a very simple layout with hardwoods and a not so messy entourage coming in and out. So bottom line, bottom line is no, it's not worth it. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.